Hi everybody, my name's Cole Skelpsa. It's a beautiful sunny day here in Tempe, Arizona. The Patriots are winning, so all in all it's a great time to be alive. Today going to be talking to mostly expecting parents and letting them know how their child's brain forms in the utero. So we're going to start with going off one of the sources that I have. So according to ThinkPsych, in the first 4 weeks after conception, nerval tissue, known as the neural plate, forms in the outermost layer of the embryonic cells. The neural plate will fold to form the neural groove and then curls to form the neural tube. This tube will then differentiate into the forebrain, the midbrain, and the hindbrain, and after that, the spinal cord. The forebrain will develop into the cerebral cortex, which translates sensory stimulation. It also controls complex behaviors, thoughts, memories, and problem solving. The midbrain will develop its neural relay station for sending information from the body to various sites in the brain. The hindbrain will control the most basic psychological processes such as breathing, heart rate. The spinal cord is a pathway for conveying information between the brain and the rest of the body. The embryo will grow very rapidly between weeks 4 and 8. The face will look human-like according to the Science Direct, which is another source that I had. A fetal MRI will usually be done after that, the 17th gestational week, sorry, my bad. Also known as pregnancy or beginning at conception. Crazy how stuff moves so fast nowadays, huh? The main steps of organogenesis will have been completed, and at this stage the fetal brain consists of 7 layers that may be displayed by MRI in vitro. The thickness and number of these layers will change until the 36th gestational week. A few things to note are that primitive cerebral hemispheres can be detected early, as 3 weeks after conception, with the beginning of formation of the cortical plate after the 7th gestational week in the most lateral aspect of the cerebral wall. Toward the middle of the pregnancy, myelination will begin between the 20th and 24th gestational week. The first structures to myelinate are the vestibular fibers, the follicular region, and the vermian commissure. Sorry about that. The article concluded that normal fetal brain development and its functional expression in the form of spontaneous movement patterns can now readily be assessed in vitro. According to Science Direct, new techniques are capable of freezing motion of the fetal head during the acquisition of a slice, and how these combine with advanced post-processing algorithms to build 30 images from motion-scattered slices. The 7 layers of tissue zones are visible in clinical imaging at different stages of the development. These zones include the germinal matrix, the cortical plate, and the subplate, and the intermediate zone. So as you can see, nowadays with all this technology, there's these images or slices that you can get, and we can start to see how the brain forms in the body, and you know how this human being forms so quickly in about 40 weeks, which is just mind-blowing. But hey, just wanted to let you all know about the fetus and how the brain forms in the human body, and just give you some more information, and so that you would know when the time comes to when you're pregnant. So thank you all for listening, and I hope you all have a great day.